Welcome to Coin Explorer. Today, we're diving into the story of a coin that you might have overlooked 100 times before. But trust me, after this video, you'll never look at a 2-pence coin the same way again. We're talking about the 1994 United Kingdom 2-pence coin, a small copper piece that could be worth hundreds of dollars today. Yes, you heard that right. That little coin you might have tossed into a drawer or spent on a candy bar might just be a hidden gem worth a small fortune. Let's start with the basics. This is a 2-pence coin minted in 1994, featuring the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side. Around the edge, the inscription reads, Elizabeth II, DGRFD, 1994, short for Dei Gratia Regina, Fide Defensor, which translates to By the Grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. A regal title for a coin that carries its own royal legacy. Flip it over, and you'll see the iconic Prince of Wales feathers, 3 ostrich plumes encased in a coronet. Below, the German motto, Ich dien, I serve, a proud symbol of British heritage and royal tradition. But here's the kicker. Not all 1994 2-pence coins are created equal. You see, during the 1990s, the Royal Mint began transitioning from bronze to copper-plated steel in UK coins. The 1992 to 1998 period marks a fascinating time in British minting history. The 1994 2-pence coin you're looking at might look ordinary, but if it's made from bronze instead of copper-plated steel, you could be holding something much rarer than you think. A bronze 2-pence coin weighs about 7.12 grams, while the copper-plated steel version weighs slightly less and is magnetic. So grab a magnet. If it doesn't stick, congratulations. You might just have a valuable bronze version. Collectors pay premium prices, hundreds of dollars in some cases, for well-preserved, uncirculated examples of these transitional coins. And if yours has an error, well, that's where the real money starts rolling in. We're talking about minting errors like double strikes, misaligned dies, planche flaws, off-center images. Even a tiny flaw can turn a coin from pocket change into a collector's prize. Let's talk condition. If your 1994 2-pence is in brilliant, uncirculated condition, especially if it's been professionally graded by NGC or PCGS, you're in luck. Graded coins are often the ones that fetch the highest prices because collectors know exactly what they're buying. A coin graded MS65 or higher, that's mint state, nearly perfect, can be worth several $100s, especially if it's bronze or features a rare error. And yes, you can sell it. Online auctions, numismatic shows, collector marketplaces, this coin has a demand. People are constantly on the hunt for rare 2-pence coins, especially those with unique characteristics from transitional years like 1994. Let's not forget the historical context. 1994 was a year of change. The Channel Tunnel opened, connecting Britain and France. The National Lottery launched. It was a time of progress, ambition, and movement. And this little coin circulated through all of it. It passed through hands buying newspapers, sweets, and maybe even train tickets for journeys across a rapidly changing United Kingdom. So when you hold a 1994 2-pence coin, you're not just holding a piece of copper, you're holding a moment in time. A coin that lived through history, now possibly ready to make history of its own, in your hands. So what should you do now? 1. Check your old coins. 2. Weigh them. Bronze coins are heavier. 3. Test them with a magnet. Bronze won't stick. 4. Look for errors. Anything unusual. 5. Get them professionally graded if they seem valuable. And who knows, that little 2-pence coin in your drawer might just be worth hundreds. Thanks for watching, fellow coin hunters. If you enjoyed this journey into numismatic treasure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We've got more stories, more mysteries, and more hidden gems coming your way. And always remember, never underestimate what you find in your change. Sometimes, The smallest coins carry the biggest stories.